They're white and wireless. What's up guys, Eyes here of coznowEizcan. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is where I share my thoughts, feedback on tech items or gadgets that I use or pique my interest. Since the holiday season is here, I thought of treating myself into a new gaming headset. And why not go wireless this time? I've been using the Arctis Pro, which I've reviewed a couple of months back, and it has been a reliable beast, but sometimes you just want that freedom to move around even when you have your headset on. Today I'm going to share with you guys my unboxing and initial impressions on the two wireless headphones that I'm looking at, the Arctis 7 by SteelSeries and the VoidPRO Wireless RGB by Corsair. The VoidPRO Wireless RGB by Corsair comes in the traditional black and yellow box. Now you will obviously get your Corsair headset, your USB cable for charging, and also you will get a USB dongle or receiver that you plug in on your PC. The Arctis 7 comes in a smaller, thinner box compared to the VoidPRO. It will house your Arctis 7 and 3 cables. The 3.5mm jack. You will also get the USB cable for charging your wireless headphones. And instead of a USB dongle, you actually get a wired platform that you connect to your PC. Now both the Arctis 7 and the VoidPRO are using neodymium magnets. The only difference is that the VoidPRO is using 15mm size, while the Arctis 7 is using a 14mm size. Compatibility wise, the SteelSeries actually is more compatible to other platforms like Switch, PS4, Xbox. But for the Corsair, they're only marketed for PC gaming, though I have read that some of the VoidPRO users were able to use it on PS4. I haven't tested it on my PS4 yet, but I'll do that and provide it on the next video. I got the VoidPRO wireless for roughly $80 from Amazon. Now build-wise, the Corsair VoidPRO wireless is predominantly plastic. The only metal part that I could see or is visible would be this brace that is holding the ear cups. Now, ear cups wise, you don't have too much controls. You actually have controls on the left ear cup where you have volume at the bottom. You have a volume toggle there. You have the charging port. You also have your power button here, and underneath the power button you have a dedicated mute button. Now with the Corsair, you actually have a flexible microphone. Now this flexible microphone, when you pull it up, it's going to mute your mic. Now needless to say, it is an RGB. So RGB wise, you have the Corsair logo at the sides that will blink or flash depending on what you want it to do. Now for comfort, the ear cups are memory foam wrapped in a mesh type fabric, and it also is the same for the one underneath the headband. The Arctis 7 is almost twice the price of the VoidPRO wireless. Now predominantly it's also made in plastic, but you do have the metal headband that SteelSeries is famous for, and it is still wrapped in the ski type band or headband, which gives you a bit of allowance so that your head doesn't touch the metal part. Now for the ear cups, both sides actually have controls. On your left ear cup, you will have your retractable mic, and you will also have your USB charging area. You have your 3.5mm jack. You also have your volume control and your mute button. On the right ear cup, you do have your power button at the bottom of it. And what is nice with the SteelSeries system, you actually have your chat mix. So you can adjust your volume for game or for your Discord chat if you're using Discord. Now, just to mention that this is the 2019 version of the Arctis 7, wherein they have provided some upgrades based on their Arctis Pro line. And one of the upgrades that they have is they made the foams actually thicker for the ear cups, and it does feel smooth and similar to my Arctis Pro. VoidPRO Wireless by Corsair is documented to have 16 hours or up to 16 hours of playtime, and the range that it could achieve is 40 feet. Now that's roughly around 12 meters. Now the SteelSeries Arctis 7 is documented to have up to 24 hours of playtime, and the range is similar to the VoidPRO, which is 12 meters or 40 feet. It does have some kind of weight to it, but not too bad. It's just that I feel that the clamping force is not that tight. So I think you can't do beast mode here if you lose or whatever. I would say the clamping force on the SteelSeries is actually bit tighter compared to the VoidPRO, so fit wise this one is quite snug. Aesthetics and with basic functions, I'm leaning towards more to the Arctis 7. I mean, yeah, it's pricier than the VoidPRO, but build wise I find it actually more secure and less clanky, if that's the right word. It could also be that I'm using the Arctis Pro, so I might have a bias. I will be doing my feedback video on their performance because I'm currently testing both of them and alternating the use when I play like Call of Duty or Fortnite or other games and listen to music as well. Well, that's it for today, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and initial impressions on the two headphones or wireless headphones that I'm planning to keep, or at least one of them. The website link for each of these headphones will be on the description box so that you could have a read further if you're interested. And if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, just feel free to leave them on the comment section below. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and consider subscribing and clicking on the bell so that you get notified if I post something new. Alright guys, until the next video, thanks again, and let's all remember, we're all here to learn. Peace.